you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on PUBG in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 5. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause loading issues, especially on lower-end systems. Try setting the graphics to a lower level and see if that helps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.